Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bacon Pans is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen gadgets for bacon lovers who desire perfectly cooked, mess-free bacon every time. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of oven bacon pans, exploring various designs, materials, and features to help you choose the ideal pan for your cooking needs and preferences, ensuring that your bacon is crispy, evenly cooked, and free from the usual splatter and mess. Number 5. GoodCook Baking Pan Set. Get perfectly crispy results every time. This set is ideal for baking all your favorite foods, from bacon to chicken wings. It keeps food elevated for even cooking and grease drainage. Plus, it's great for cooling or glazing baked goods. This pan features a premium, PFOA-free non-stick coating for easy food release and even baking. It's a GoodCook exclusive. Made of heavy-duty carbon steel, it resists warping and provides years of reliable use. It's versatile enough for oven or stovetop use. Both the pan and rack are oven-safe to 410 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe for a quick and easy cleanup. Enjoy! What we like. This baking sheet boasts a non-stick surface for effortless food release and easy cleanup. Its durable carbon steel construction ensures long-lasting use. If you need a reliable, easy-to-clean pan for various baking needs, this is the one for you. What people say. My pork chops cooked nice and crispy, easy to use, easy to clean, it's sturdy. I air-fried my salmon slab in the oven and the rack worked perfectly. I rubbed a little avocado oil on the grill first and there was minimal sticking. Very sturdy pan. Really nice baking pan with roasting rack. I made a 9 pounds prime on it. It was very sturdy and cleaned up well. Number 4. Beckon Ware 11-inch Silicone Splatter Guard. Say goodbye to messy stovetops. It effectively prevents oil splatters, keeping your kitchen clean and your cooking enjoyable. It's more than just a splatter guard. Use it as a frying pan cover, food strainer, or even a baking mat. It's incredibly versatile. This essential kitchen tool protects your pans from splatters and burns, extending their life and making cooking easier. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. It keeps grease contained, making cleanup quick and simple. Cook with confidence. It protects you from hot oil splatters, ensuring a safe and worry-free cooking experience. What we like. This splatter guard effectively prevents grease splatters, keeping your kitchen clean. It's also incredibly versatile, functioning as a cover, strainer, and cooling mat. If you're tired of messy cooking, this is the perfect solution. What people say. It fits perfectly on my frying pan and effectively prevents grease splatter, keeping my stovetop and kitchen clean. The fact that it's oven safe is a fantastic bonus. The product works great, just the right size for what I need, easy to clean. This grease guard is sturdy as described. It also doesn't cause the food to steam as stated in its description. Cleaning, as always with silicone, is not hard, but you do have to clean it a couple of times to get all the grease off. Number 3. Beckon Ware Silicone Baking Screen. It's a unique and stylish solution for cooking without the mess. This screen is designed to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. It's more than just a splatter screen, it also works as a cooling rack and oven splash guard. Keep your oven clean and your baked goods perfectly cooled. Say goodbye to messy oven spills. It contains splatters, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy cooking without the worry of a big mess. It's designed to fit most sheet pans, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Protect your oven during cooking and baking with ease. Made from durable materials, it's built to last. Enjoy long-lasting protection for your oven and years of easy use. Upgrade your kitchen today with this versatile and efficient baking screen. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen. What we like. This splatter screen has a unique design that sets it apart. It's both a splatter guard and a cooling rack, offering dual functionality. If you value both style and efficiency in your kitchen, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It fits perfectly on my frying pan and effectively prevents grease splatter, keeping my stovetop and kitchen clean. The fact that it's oven safe is a fantastic bonus. The product works great, just the right size for what I need, easy to clean. This grease guard is sturdy as described. It also doesn't cause the food to steam as stated in its description. Cleaning, as always with silicone, is not hard, but you do have to clean it a couple of times to get all the grease off. Number 2. Ultra Cuisine Quarter Sheet Pan Set. This versatile set is perfect for baking, roasting, and cooling. Use the sheet pan and rack together or separately to create endless culinary possibilities. Cleaning up is a breeze. The rack is dishwasher safe, and the sheet pan is easy to hand wash. Parchment paper or silicone mats make cleanup even easier. It's made from durable, food-safe materials that resist warping and rust. The reinforced rim ensures it will withstand years of use. Unlike other racks, this one is made from 100% 304 stainless steel. You'll never have to worry about rust or chrome flaking off into your food. Get this amazing set and receive a free recipe ebook with over 100 delicious recipes. Bake like a pro for years to come. What we like. This set is built to last with durable aluminum and a premium stainless steel rack. Cleanup is a breeze, and the rack is dishwasher safe. If you're looking for a long-lasting, high-quality baking set, this is it. What people say. Received very good package, good quality, perfect pan to bake jelly rolls, great rack to cool it. The feet on the rack are only an inch, but higher than most and keep the food out of the grease and allows for good air circulation. The bottom of pan is dimpled, which reduces the possibility of food sticking to it. There is a sturdy edge roll on the pan. It's rated for up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Bought this not for baking but for meat curing and aging setup. It is hard to find trays that are not 1 inch deep, but actually deeper, like this one, 1.3 deep. The depth was a deciding factor for me to buy 2 of these trays, but I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of both tray and rack. Number 1. KPKitchen Baking Sheet Set. This 2-piece set includes a baking sheet and a cooling rack. They work perfectly together or separately for all your cooking needs. 6 removable silicone feet protect your countertops and baking sheets. They're oven and dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. It's made from heavy-gauge aluminum and reinforced steel, preventing warping even at high temperatures. The large size is perfect for baking cookies or roasting vegetables. The high-quality stainless steel rack is super easy to clean in the dishwasher. Its design provides ample airflow, ideal for cooking bacon or cooling baked goods. This versatile set is perfect for baking cookies, roasting meats, or cooking bacon. It's backed by a 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This set features unique silicone feet to protect your countertops. The baking sheet is warp resistant, and the rack is incredibly sturdy. If you value protection and durability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Edges are curled very nicely and completely. Rack has not rusted, silicone feet have not melted, and it is easy to use in both the oven and for cooling. I have been using this regularly for a year now and it has never warped at all on me. Looks in very good condition still. This makes perfect, and I mean perfect, crispy bacon. All the drippings go into the pan, and I save some of it for future cooking needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.